It's March 17 around noon, 12:20 actually. So we are putting in a solar pump here, and it's going to be a it's going to be 4,000 watts pump, and this or 5 horsepower. So the casing will be a 6-inch casing, and the solar pump will take 10 panels. And they've been at it for the past couple of days, so this is the third day I think, and they're almost done. So tomorrow or today they'll be installing the 4-inch PVC pipe. So let's go over there. Well, it's muddy. I think I'll just use the canal to walk on toward there. So these are the PVC, and the sides are cut to allow water ingress. Also the other one cut at an angle. So the machine is up there. Each pipe, I think it's 6 meters or 9 meters. So with this, it doesn't take long for the bore well to be drilled. We're going to drill down to 30 meters, and the PVC pipe down to 24, something like that. So yeah, the person sitting there is to give it mass so that the drilling can be done quickly. If there's no mass to load down the drilling jig, it takes a long time because it's just they need mass to drill down. So the motor stopped abruptly because of the load. So if the motor can't take the load, it will just stop. That's what happened. So the labor cost for this is 40,000 peso. That's how much it is to drill a bore well with 6-inch pipe. So with 8-inch pipe, it's a little bit more. It's 50,000. So 6-inch is 40,000 peso. We'll be harvesting soon too. Hopefully this week or next week. March 19 around 6 o'clock, 6:02. So we're going to take 10 panels from here to power up the new submer up in Amianan. The bore well is new, so we want to be able to clear the sand and dirt down in the bore well. We're hoping to also start harvesting here in Muñoz. The cloud though, it's a little bit cool. It's probably around 23 degrees. Probably. It's that cool. So the prices of rice has been fluctuating hugely. So it's not like the last crop cycle, where it's around 20. Now it's hovering around between 15 and 16. We're hoping for 17. Hoping and praying actually. So we'll see how that goes. So I'm gonna start disassembling the cabling so we can start doing this. So 10 panels were taken off Muñoz, and they're going to move it over there. So placing the solar panel is a little bit challenging, mainly with dimensioning. So next time I'll draw it up on CAD so we understand the hole placement. So this is the outflow of the new submersible. There's plenty of dirt, and we'll see how it goes when it starts to clean it. So we added one more pipe So this look like 40 cubic meter per hour outflow. I'll come back someday to measure it. So, okay. Thanks for watching.